How to add Google Tag Manager to WordPress. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Tag Manager to your WordPress website. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to tagmanager.google.com. In the top right corner, make sure you're logging into the right Google account. Once you're in, click on Create Account. Now, fill in the required information. After that, click Create. Scroll down and accept the terms and conditions, then click Yes. You will now see two sets of codes, one for the header and one for the body. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins, then click Add New Plugin. In the search box, type in Header Footer and press Enter. Look for the plugin code WP code, insert headers and footers. Click Install Now, then click Activate. After activation, go to the left-hand menu, scroll down to Code Snippets, and click Header and Footer. Now, switch back to Google Tag Manager. Click the copy icon next to the header code. Go back to WordPress and paste that code into the header section. Now, go to the body code from Google Tag Manager. Go back to WordPress and paste it into the footer section. Once both codes are in place, click Save Changes. And you have successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.